guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'll be planning in my Big Happy Planner. I'm going to be using the April Planner Society kit. I thought I had received my last one in March, but evidently not. I received the next one, so it is very, very beautiful, as you can see here. Here's all the papers that it came with. There's a couple sheets of vellum, and then these sheets here. There's also a piece of acetate that came with it, but I'm going to be using that in my Bible journaling. So if you want to check that video out, you can as well. I'll put the link down below. Here's some washi that it came with, a floral and this marbly gold foiled. And then I'll probably be using this paper clip. And then here are some die cuts that I'll pull from. They're really cute. I love this here. I really want this chair. Isn't that beautiful? And it would go perfectly in my house because I have turquoise. But anyway, it's really gorgeous. Here's some journaling cards here. I may use one of those, I'm not sure. And there's some puffy stickers there. Those are really pretty. Here's the little notepad. And then the stickers here. And one thing that it came with as well, a couple of things anyways. Look at this gorgeous bow for your planner. And then this little envelope, it's a felt envelope, and it has like felt flowers on the front. Really pretty. I just thought that was gorgeous to put your leftover stickers and die cuts and pen and everything in. Super pretty. I love it. So anyway, I just wanted to show you those. Let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Guys, so here's my final layout. I think it turned out really pretty, and I tried to do a little bit something different with the vellum here, just by putting a block of vellum in the center and then just going in with the blocks and adding them around. But I just think this is a really pretty kit, so go ahead and check out the Planner Society. I'll put the link down below. Come back next Monday for another Plan With Me video. Come back Wednesday for a Bible journaling video, and then Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday for other random crafty videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.